Winning reinstatement for drop shippers is absolutely awesome. And if you are a drop shipper or you are a partial drop shipper, then this video is for you. Okay, so drop shippers usually get suspended because the products arrive at the consumer's doorstep with like Walmart packaging or Home Depot packaging or Best Buy, but they show up on Amazon's consumer's doorstep in non-Amazon or Amazon's competitors' packaging, and then the consumer contacts Amazon's like, hey, what the heck? I didn't order from Walmart or Best Buy or Home Depot. Why am I receiving their packages? And that's what gets you suspended. In this particular case, our drop shipping client was suspended because he received intellectual property right violations. So you got to take it out of the drop shipping world and skin the cat in a way that you can win. You guys are entrepreneurs, so you know if there's an obstacle, you can go through it, you can go over it, you can go under it, you can cut it in half. You always got to find another way to get past the obstacle to be successful. That's what we do as entrepreneurs. So that's exactly what my team did. They forgot all about the drop shipping aspect of the case, solely attacked the intellectual property issue, and guess what? Another victory by AmazonSellersLawyer.com, our incredible team of paralegals and lawyers and my killer partners. And this seller, as you are watching this video that I'm making in our brand new video studio, this seller is back making money in this awesome Christmas season.